Alright, we're out here. We just got done duck hunting this evening. Killed 4 birds. I'm trying to edit as much good as I can. I don't know if y'all can see me killing the ducks, but you know, it's alright. But yeah, let y'all know. Hunting tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening. We'll let y'all know how it goes. Don't land over there.
Not all of them. We probably just said kill him right there.
Probably. They're all landing over there.
Yeah, because there's ducks landing over there. I feel like if you let with no decoy, you would have.
Yeah, we should have shot those.
Yeah, y'all could have killed him on the gun.
I would have missed.
Hey,
It was
right
good.
up above. Right up above.
No. Oh, God. Hey, Aspen!
God damn it!
Lift it, there's a wounded over here.
I can't lift it.
There's a wounded over here.